Today I will show you how you can able to scratch build your model railroad platform and station area right now. Hello and welcome to my channel HO Train Universe and Dioramas. I am Ashim and you are watching my model railroad. Friends, today I am here again with another new and very interesting episode. Actually, I am going through the project, basically my model railroad project. I am going through the station area and the building sector of my model railroad diorama. And on that time, I thought, why shouldn't I share my experiences with you? And maybe it will be very helpful for somebody who is new in this hobby. Okay, friends, today I am going to show you that how you can able to scratch build your model railroad station buildings and platform area. Yes, obviously it will take minimum 1 or 2 episodes extra, but if you watch carefully throughout the coming episodes, you will understand that how you can easily able to make a perfect platform and station building area for your model railroad diorama. Friends, actually anything scratch building in model railroad diorama is very good. Obviously in various time we cannot able to scratch build everything. We have to buy something from the branded companies like Walthers or etc. But if you got a chance, when I got a chance, I always like to scratch build something. And today I am going to scratch build my station building area and the platforms. As I am making an Indian model railroad, so I need something that should resemble the prototypical Indian styles. And that's why I started today's project. And for that, in today's episode, I will show you that how you can able to make platforms, model railroads platforms easily by your own. And friends, it's not tough. Just with few efforts you can able to make it. So let's go towards our workstation. And before that, if you are first time in my channel, friends, please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon on so that when I will upload another new video, you will get the fastest notification. So friends, let's go towards our project. Okay, this is my station area. You can see that this area is 2 feet wide, and I am going to make my station and platforms here. If you watch carefully, this side will be the station building and then platform number 1 and 2. So the 1 and 2, after these 2 platform will be another track, and this is a through track. This will for the freight corridors or the freight loads. And let me show you the right side of this station area. This is basically the yard sector. In my previous episodes, I already show you the video that how I made this yard sector. And if you still not watch that, just click on the I button and you will get that video that how I made my yard sector. Okay friends, now go. This is the main 2 lines. These 2 main lines will meet here at the station sector. And for the station sector, especially for the platform, what I am going to make today, for the platform I am using sunboard. Basically 5 mm thick sunboard, and let me cut it and then I will show you that how I am processing this thing. Okay, this is my 52-inch long and 2.6-inch wide sunboard piece I have joined here to create the entire length. It's 52-inch long, means in HO scale 150 meter long station platform, and its height will be 1 centimeter. So friends, let's start joining the sides. This is the sides of the platform. As I said that it will be 1 centimeter, but as I am using track bait, so I cut it in 1.5 centimeter. And now with super glue I will add or fix these sides here perfectly. And this is the basic structure of the platform number 1. You can see it's 2.6 inch wide and 1.5 inch in height, and the both sides slopings also I have made it separately and then glued it. And now in the same way, this is the track 1, and from here there will be another track like this, and then the platform number 2 will be here. So let me finish the platform number 2 at the same way, and then I will come back again. Okay, you can see that both my platforms are ready. This is platform number 2 with both side and one with single side, and I have made a small notch section for the each side or the face with 2 millimeter, and this is the sloping area. You can see that I have already sand papered it and make it little bit molded so that it can look natural. And now it is time for the coloring. But before coloring, I need to mark out the sides or the edge of the platform where the tiles will be situated. So let's do it. And to create the edges of the platform or the edges tiles border line, I have to mark 1 centimeter approx area. So let me do it. I have to mark for 1 centimeter. This is the 1 centimeter area. So first of all, I will mark it here, and the same way I will mark it again here, and this area will be the perfect for my edge or border tiles. So I have to mark this area for the border tiles in the same way. Have a nice look. I am marking this full area. It is very crucial before I am going to start coloring. This is very important to mark the areas for the edge tiles. The same way I will again mark the opposite side because it is platform number 2 and it needs both ends. So let me mark this area, and this is the area. So I have to cover these 2 areas before I start coloring the basic structure. So let's start coloring. But before coloring, I have to cover these slides or the sides or the tiles edge area with masking tape because it is very crucial, because I want to keep these 2 sides white. So let me paste this masking tapes at the edge of the platform. It is very crucial before I start coloring. And you all know that it is easy, nothing tough, just you have to cover this area with masking tape. So let me finish my job perfectly. And I have covered this area, the entire area of the edge or the slide edge, and now I will go for the coloring. You can see finally I have covered the both sides, and now it's time to color the open area. Let's go. And friends, as it's a big slice of model, so I need a white space, and now here I will go for the coloring. And for coloring, first of all, I will use this spray. It's a gray tone. First of all, I will use this gray first. And friend, you see that I am not very keen about the uniform texture of this gray color. It has a reason. Just watch carefully and you will understand that why I am roughly spraying the gray color. And now it's time for another color, that means this red. I will use a very small amount of red throughout the entire surface. and for that I will not push this thing like this. Rather, I will push this in a side way so that a little spray or the mist spray of the red can drop throughout the entire surface. See how I am spraying? A little amount just adhere on the surface like this. And after light misting of this red, now it's time for this matte black. Now I will go for this matte black. At the same way, I will spray the matte black throughout the entire platform area in a side way. After mixing of these three tones, a realistic, natural, dirty look of the platform surface will come out. Have a good look. You see, this is my desirable surface color tone. Some area little bit gray, some area little bit darker blackish, some area mixed with black and dark. The same way, and after it's drying, now I have to peel out the masking tape. Let's do it. I have to peel out. And this is the desired white platform ridge or platform edge area. And let me open the other side, and yes, you can see that the both side of the platform, the both edges are now ready to create the platform tiles. But before creating these tiles, I will go for the lower section or the base of the platform, and for that again I will mask the entire top surface with this tiles area, and then I will color the lower area of the platform, and let's go for it. And friends, as you can see that I have already masked this to ridge area or the edge of the platform tiles of the both side of the platform, and I keep open this area, that in the base area of the platform, and I will color it with red. Let's color it. And after red, I will go for the matte black spray mist. A little bit matte black will create a brick red hue of the entire surface. And after a few minutes of drying, you can see the perfect texture of the brick red hue. And now I will peel out the masking tape. And now you can see that the color texture of the platform, this is my desirable color of the base, some little bit blackish brick red hue, and the top side is little bit gray with some blackish patch. And I have also finished my another platform too. And friends, now it is time for the ridge or edge tiles of the border of platform. And to create those platform tiles, I am going to do something very interesting. And to create the border tiles of the platform, I will use this 1 centimeter sunboard template. I just made it to create my tiles, and holding it in hand with a craft knife, I have to just engrave the areas sequentially throughout the entire border like this. And with a little bit patience, when you will finish your job, you will be amazed to see the texture of the platform. And after finishing my engraving, you can see the texture or the beauty of the platform edge. You can see I have made a broken tiles, and in the same way also I have made some detailing before my next step. You can see, I don't know, whatever you can see here, you can see that I have actually engraved this area. This will create some thing that is the crackening on the tiles. In the same way, I have engraved the entire edge of the platform. And now I will go for my next step, that is I will go for the black wash of this edge. And you all know that what black wash is. Okay, let's go for the black wash. And for black wash, I will take 1 part of black acrylic and 9 part of water, and its diluted black color I will apply at the each engraved portion of the tiles. Just I have to apply the black color on the engraved area, and then with a small cotton cloth I will wipe out the excess. It will create 2 things. Number 1, it will highlight the tiles gap, and number 2, it will create some dirty look of the white border. Just I have to wipe out the excess like this, and I have to cover the full area like this way. The final result is in front of you, friends. You can see all the tiles junction, the broken part, even the cracks on the tiles. Just with a few efforts and a simple black wash, you can create this type of illusion, this type of magic on your model railroad diorama. Friends, a platform with some realistic feature is very crucial to create a perfect model railroad platform or station area. So this is the first part of my station area series where I have made the platform. And friends, hope you like the entire journey. And from the top view, you can see the both platform of my station area, the most realistic look with some minute detailings I have tried to make. And yes, you cannot buy this type of reality from any branded products. For that, you need to do it yourself, friends. You have to go for it. Hope you like the entire journey. Hope you like the entire video. You see how easy is it? And friend, in my coming episode, I am going to make the station building just at the side of my platform, and on that time I will also show you the entire process. So don't miss my coming episode also. Very soon I am coming with my new episode, just the continuation of this project. And friends, if you like this video, please tell me on the comment section, and if you like this video, please like also and share this video. Very soon I am coming with my new episode of this model railroad diorama. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.